Welcome everyone to this video. In this video, I'll tell you what all this stuff means. So let's get started. So let's start with this panel. So basically these are just templates. So these are templates for different images, landscape, portrait, and we have the default Photoshop size 16 by 12 centimeters, and we have different categories. For example, print. Under print, we have different sizes like A5, A3, C5, B5. We also have the size for letter. Then we have art and illustration. Under here, we have the size of poster. So if you're making any poster, just click on it. This is the default size of any poster, 18 by 24 inches. And then you can hit create. Then we have web. These are different sizes for websites. Then we have mobile. These are different sizes of mobiles like iPhone 8, 7, 6. We also have sizes for watches like Apple Watch. Then we have film and video. So if you're making anything that will be displayed on an HD screen, you'll pick this size, and if you're making anything that will be displayed on like a 4K screen, you'll pick this UHD TV 4K. So now let's understand what this stuff is. So here, this is basically the name, nothing to explain here. Then we have width and height. Then we have orientation. So this is portrait and this is landscape. So the values are just flipping. In portrait, the higher value goes to height, and in landscape, the higher values goes to width. Then we have different units of measurement. We have pixels, inches, centimeters, millimeters, points, and picas. And if you don't know what picas is, it is a unit of measurement used in typography, but most of the times we'll just be using pixels or maybe sometimes inches. Then we have resolution. So if you're making any digital stuff, like any digital design that will not get printed, we'll just use 72 as resolution. But if you're making anything that will be printed, make sure your resolution is 300. That is because when the design will get printed, it will get enlarged. So there should be enough pixels for it to get enlarged. So it can easily get enlarged without any deterioration is the right word. I don't know what the right word is, but the design will get spoiled and it will look blurred and pixelated. So make sure the resolution is 300. Then we have color mode. So basically we won't be using bitmap and lab color, and mostly we will be just using RGB and CMYK. Grayscale is pretty self-explanatory. So let me explain to you what CMYK color mode is. So CMYK color mode is used for printing. So for example, you're making a t-shirt design and you choose RGB color mode. So what will happen is that you'll just send it for printing, and when you'll see the t-shirt, you'll just think, why are the colors so dull? That is because you picked RGB color. Colors are vibrant on a screen but not that vibrant in real life. So if you're making anything that will go for printing, just choose CMYK. In CMYK color mode, all the colors are a little dull, so you'll see accurate colors and just see the accurate thing that will get printed. Then we have background components. Basically, it is just what the color should be of the background. Basically, it is white, black, or transparent color, or you can pick any color of your choice. For example, if I pick a light blue color right here and I click on create, our canvas will be of light blue color. So this is basically it for this lesson, and in the next lesson I will teach you the navigation in Photoshop. So I'll meet you there.